Hi, welcome you all to Pebbles. In today's class, we are going to see addition and subtraction of numbers with decimals, exercise 8.5. The first question, 0.007 plus 8.5 plus 30.08. We are going to see the addition as well as the subtraction. First, we are going to see the addition. The first sum, question 1, exercise 8.5. This is the addition of especially this particular sum. These two sums are addition. Now we are going to see only the addition. Next we are going to see the subtraction. So addition of numbers with decimal, question number 1. Okay, 0.007 plus 8.5 plus 30.08. So first we have to arrange. It is a normal addition. It's just like a normal addition, but it is a decimal. That's it. 0.007. After that you have to write, this is 8.500. So you have to place the number, you have to write the number in a proper order. That is very important in decimal. You have to arrange the numbers in a proper order. You have to arrange the numbers in proper order. You have to, otherwise you have to write the number in a proper order. 0.007, this is a whole number and 8 is a whole number, and this is what? This is tens. After the point we can call it as tens, hundreds, thousands. So this is 8 is ones place, and 8 point after the point we can call it, we can say this is tens and hundreds, this thousands, and 30, 30. Okay, this is what? Tens, and this is ones, and point after the point we can say 059. We must read like this. So 059. And what is this? Again I'll read this number. 0 point after the point we can say 0.007, 8.500, then 30.059. So this is what? This is tens, hundreds and thousands. This is also what? Tens, hundreds and thousands. Here only what? This is only 0.007. This is what? Tens and hundreds and thousands. Here only tens is there. There is no hundreds and thousands. There is no number. That is the only reason we are using zeros here. And 30.08. This is 30.08. Sorry, 30.08. 30.08. 30.08. 0 is a tens and hundreds. There is no number in thousands. So that is what we must write 0. Now we are going to add all the numbers. 7 plus 0, 7, and 7 plus 0 again 7. And 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 8, 8, and 0 plus 5, 5, and 5 plus 0 again 5. Then point you have to put, and 0 plus 8, and all the decimal values over. Now we are going to add the whole number. 0 plus 8, 8, 8 plus 0, 8, and the remaining number is what? Now we are going to add the 3. There is no number, just bring down the 3 as it is. The answer is 38.587. This is the right answer for the question. This is whole number. After the point we can call it as a decimal numbers. This is ones, and this is tens, and this is what? Tens. Okay, tens, and this is hundreds, and this is thousands. Okay, tens nothing but TENTHs, tens, and what? Hundreds, HUNDREDTHs, hundreds, and what is this? Thousands, THOUSANDTHs. Okay, thousands. So tens number is nothing but 5, and hundreds number is 8, and thousands number is 7. Okay, and normal, that is whole number, is nothing but, this is 8 ones and what? 3 tens. So we must read 0 point. First we are going to write all the numbers, and after that we have to write the number in a proper order. You have to know how to arrange the number. That is very, very important in decimal. If there is no digit after the decimal, after the number, after the point, we are writing only the decimal numbers. If any decimal number is not available, suppose they are not given suppose they are given only tens, in some another number they are given only hundreds, so in some other number they are not given thousands. So if the digit is not there, you have to put 0 in the particular place. Okay, That is very important. So you must write the place value. That is very, very important. This is what I told you. This is thousands, this is hundreds, and this is tens, and this is what, ones, and this is what, tens. So first you have to write the place value, then you have to write the number according to the place value. So you must know how to write the number. You must know how to arrange the number, otherwise you must know how to write the number in decimal. Then you have to write all the number. After that you just add the number like addition, normal addition. So 0.007 and 8.500. Why I used 00 means because there is no place in, sorry, there is no number in the hundreds place and thousands place. That is what I used 00. Because of addition, if you write the zeros only, you can add the number correctly without any mistake. So we just want to avoid the mistake. That is the only reason we are using in that particular place is zeros. If any digit is not there, so you have to use 0 in the particular place. Then 30.08, 30.08, 30.080, because 08, this is what, tens and hundreds, and there is no number in the thousands place. That is the only reason I used to what, write 0. But in the first number 0.007, this is tens and this is hundreds, this is thousands. So in that particular place, after the point, we can call it as a decimal values, a decimal numbers. In that particular number, what, in the first number we have we have what, tens, hundreds and thousands. That is the only reason we have to calculate the next numbers. If there is no digit in the particular, if there is no digit for hundreds or thousand, you just add only 0. You just not add, just put or just write zeros in that particular place. That is what. So after that you have to what, just simply add 7 plus 0, 0, 7, and 0 plus 0. First you have to what, add only the decimal, then you can go to the whole numbers. So 7 plus 0, this is thousands place we are adding. After that we can go for the hundreds place, after the tens place, then whole number, the ones and tens. Okay, thousands place, what is the number? 7 plus 0 plus 0, 7, and 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 8, 8, and now we are going to add the tens place, 0 plus 5, 0, and 5 plus 0, 5 again, and after that you have to put what, decimal point. This point is called as a decimal point. This point is called as a decimal point. Okay, don't forget it, decimal point. So, and now we are going to add only the what, whole numbers. That is ones place 0 plus 8, 0, and 8 plus 0, 8 again, and tens place only 3 is there, there is no number, just bring down the number. So 38.587, 38.587, 30, this is ones and tens, 8 ones and 3 tens, so 38, and point is a decimal point, 587, this is 5 tens and 8 hundreds and 7 thousands. So 38.587 is the right answer for the first question. Second question, Rashid spent rupees 35 rupees 75 paise for maths book and 30 rupees 32.60 for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. So look at this question. Rashid as a person or a boy, okay, he spent rupees 35.75 paise, rupees 35.75 paise he spent. That means he bought a maths book. So cost of maths books is nothing but the 35 rupees 75 paise, and he spent for science books rupees 32.60 paise. That is cost of a science book is equal, cost of a science book is nothing but rupees 32.60 paise. Okay, find the total amount spent by Rashid. So total amount, how much he spent, how much Rashid spent, that is a question they asked you. The solution, money spent for maths books is equal to rupees 35.75. Next, money spent for science books is equal to rupees 32.60. Then finally, therefore total amount spent by Rashid. So how much amount he spent, that is the question. So total amount spent by Rashid is equal to, so you have to add you have to add the two what, numbers. You have to add the 2 rupees. Okay, one is first amount is rupees, that is maths book value I have written. Maths book value is nothing but cost of maths books rupees 35.75 paise. Okay, that means P, and the cost of a science books nothing but rupees 32.60 paise. Okay, now we are going to add together, then you can get the total amount spent by Rashid. So just add the numbers together. So 5 plus 0, 5, this is, and after the point we can call it as a decimal. Okay, this is what, this is ones and this is tens, and this is tens, and this is what, hundreds. Okay, 5 plus 0 5 and 7 plus 6 13. 3 carry over is go to the top. 1 plus 1 2 and 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 2 9. So before that you have to put a point, and 3 plus 3 what, 6. I'll repeat once again, you just adding two numbers, that is two amount, not two values. You are adding the two amount. Okay, one is a what, a max book amount, next is a science book amount. Max book amount is 35 rupees 75 paise, and science book amount is 32 rupees 60 paise. So now we are going to add together. So this is what, hundreds, and this is tens, because after the point we can call it as a decimal values. So this is tens and this is hundreds, and after this a whole number, this is ones and tens. So you are going to add together. 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 6 13, 3 carry over is go to the top. So it's go to the ones place. So 5 plus what, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 2 9. So before you are adding the whole number, you have to finish off the decimal point. First you have to, after you complete the decimal value, after you complete the decimal value, you have to put a point. That point is called as a decimal point. Don't forget to put the decimal point. Then you can go to the what, whole number to start to start adding. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 2 9, and 3 plus 3 6. So the total value is, total amount is 69 rupees 35 paise. So this is the total amount spent by Rashid. So don't forget, this answer is correct. It is total amount spent by Rashid, rupees 69 rupees 35 paise.